Oh, Izzy, you gotta get all up in the video. Go give your baby boy a kiss. Izzy, give your baby boy a kiss. Give him a kiss. Give him a kiss.
She gave the camera a kiss.
Okay, come
John David. Hi.
Watch me, Mama. Get your feet out. There you go.
Uh-oh, say don't pop my arm out.
No.
Let's see him crawl. Move his.
Go on, Izzy. Go on, Izzy.
John David. Come on. Here we go. Izzy, move, baby girl. You're in the way.
Go, Izzy. Go.
You're a good girl.
What you got?
Samuel.
Hey. Won't be long and it'll be. I mean, it'll be next week. What's today's date?
October 29th, 2012.
October 29th.
I'm 7.5 months. I'm just going to say 7 months. I'm not rushing. Come on. Come on. Oh. See, here's Wild Man. There, Wild Man.
What's that? Oh,
This is Y-Y-O.
that's all the one yeah.
Y-Y-O.
That's all yeah.
Ready? You want to go fly? You want to go fly? 3, 2.
Whoa.
Again?
Hold on.
2. Oh! Almost didn't get it there.
Yeah, don't let him land on John David.
2, 3. Again? 1, 2. Again? What if I just drop you on your head? Can I just drop you on your head?
Oh, he's you.
Wait, what if I get your belly button? What if I tickle that belly button? No! No more! I'm tired. Oh no. Not John David too. Not John David too. No. Oh no. Oh no.
Samuel. Oh. No, That's nasty.
Oh. Not both of you.
Uh-oh.
What?
Don't let him roll on him.
He's fine. What you looking at? I fees. You going to get it? You got it. You got it. Good hands, man. Good hands. Wow, 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 wow. I got you.
Samuel, don't get in the hamper. That's dirty.
Oh. Oh.
Samuel, can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Wave.
Say bye-bye to Mama.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. This is...
This.
Now you know how to upload it to Facebook or to YouTube?